When starting a crochet motif, there is one big question. Should I use the magic ring or make a chain ring? Today we look at the pros and cons of both, and I'll help you decide which is better for your project. Let's first see how each method works. The magic ring is a loop you create with the yarn, crochet stitches into it, and pull tight at the end to close the center completely. The chain 4 ring is made by crocheting 4 chains and slip stitching into the first chain to form a small loop. You then work your stitches into this ring. Magic ring pros and cons. Creates a completely closed knit center, perfect for motifs where you don't want a hole. Looks more professional, especially for amigurumi or tightly stitched project, but can feel tricky for beginners. The ring might loosen if not secured properly. Chain 4 ring pros and cons. Easier for beginners, no fussing with loops. The ring stays firm and doesn't come undone easily, but leaves a small hole in the center which can be noticeable in open motifs. So, which one should you choose? If you want a tight, professional look and don't mind practicing a bit, the magic ring is your best friend. But if you're just starting out or don't mind a little hole in the center, the chain 4 ring is totally fine. My advice: try both and see which feels more natural to your hands. Which method do you use more often? Drop your answer in the comments, and if you love granny square tips like this, don't forget to subscribe for more crochet magic.